Ride the biggest swings with the trade triangle signals. Market Club's signals point to new price swings backed by solid technical trends. We scan 350,000 markets looking for new trends and momentum. When a market's trend is strong enough, it triggers a new signal. Follow the signal and ride the swings depending on your trading style. Put the signals to the test. Thousands of traders, in over 191 countries, trust Market Club's tools and analysis. Start your 30-day trial today for only $1. Click the link in the description box below to get started.
Five key reasons to invest in this energy corporation. Number 1. Share price is up 35.49% the past year and up over 43% the past 5 years. Number 2. Has an annual dividend yield over 8% with an extremely low payout ratio that is very sustainable. Number 3. This company is using its free cash flow to buy back its dirt cheap shares. Number 4. The company recently repurchased 303 million shares of its own stock in the second quarter and bought back another 200 million shares in the third. It recently doubled its share repurchase authorization to $4 billion. Number 5. This company paid out its first quarterly dividend back in 2018, which gives this asset a 3-year track record of putting cash into the pockets of shareholders. This corporation's stock is trading below its intrinsic value of $539.16 according to Benjamin Graham's formula from Chapter 11 of The Intelligent Investor. 3-year forecast: every $100 invested could potentially turn into $185.24. Oil prices have been all over the place this year. WTI, the primary U.S. oil price benchmark, started 2022 at around $75 a barrel before rocketing over $120 a barrel following the Russian invasion of Ukraine. After bottoming in the mid-70s in late September, crude oil has rocketed toward $90 a barrel following news that OPEC will slash its output by a surprising 2 million barrels per day. Because of that, this corporation's stock looks very undervalued based on the cash flow they can produce at $90 a barrel. This company estimates it can produce $4.3 billion in free cash flow at $90 a barrel. Strategy for novice and beginners. When investing in dividend stocks for the long term, you should utilize a DRIP. A dividend reinvestment plan whereby cash dividends are reinvested to purchase more stock in the company on autopilot. DRIPs use a technique called dollar cost averaging intended to average out the price at which you buy stock as it moves up or down. DRIPs help investors accumulate additional shares at a lower cost since there are no commissions or fees. This technique will grow your position and your dividend income automatically and exponentially. Asset in focus. Diamondback Energy, Incorporated. Ticker symbol FANG. Sector: energy. Industry: oil and gas E&P. Company profile. Diamondback Energy, Incorporated. An independent oil and natural gas company, focuses on the acquisition, development, exploration, and exploitation of unconventional and onshore oil and natural gas reserves in the Permian Basin in West Texas. As of December 31, 2021, the company total acreage position was approximately 524,700 gross acres in the Permian Basin, and estimated proved oil and natural gas reserves were 1,788,991,000 barrels of crude oil equivalent. It also held working interest in 5,289 gross producing wells, as well as royalty interests in 6,455 additional wells. In addition, the company owns mineral interests approximately 930,871 gross acres and 27,027 net royalty acres in the Permian Basin and Eagle Ford Shale, and owns, operates, develops, and acquires midstream infrastructure assets, including 866 miles of crude oil gathering pipelines, natural gas gathering pipelines, and an integrated water system in the Midland and Delaware basins of the Permian Basin. The company was founded in 2007, which makes this asset 14 years old, and it is headquartered in Midland, Texas. Summary. Diamondback Energy, Inc., is up 38.40% the past 5 years and closed at $142.43 on October 7, 2022. 52-week high, $162.24. 52-week low, $95.02. Average volume, 2,419,425. Market capitalization, $25.322 billion. Yahoo Finance gives FANG a 1-year estimated price target of $174.24 per share. You're looking at $31.81 per share in potential capital gains if and when the stock starts its uptrend cycle. A $20,000 investment could potentially yield $4,453.40 in future capital gains. Earnings and revenue. On August 1, 2022, Diamondback Energy, Incorporated, reported $7.07 earnings per share for the quarter, beating analysis consensus estimates of $6.66 by 41 cents. The company had revenue of $2.77 billion for the quarter, compared to analyst estimates of $2.44 billion. Its quarterly revenue was up 64.7% compared to the same quarter last year. Diamondback Energy has generated $21.39 earnings per share over the last year and currently has a price-to-earnings ratio of 6.5. Earnings are expected to decrease by 3.51% in the coming year, from $25.91 to $25 per share. The dividend. Diamondback Energy, Incorporated, currently pays an annual dividend of $12.20 per share, with a dividend yield of 8.57%, and it has a current payout ratio of 21.36%, which is very sustainable. Diamondback Energy has a 4-year track record of dividend increases and a 3-year annualized dividend growth rate of 67.11%. Diamondback Energy's dividend is higher than the U.S. industry average of 3.77%, and it is higher than the U.S. market average of 4.22%. The most recent quarterly dividend payment was on August 23, 2022. Ownership. Diamondback Energy, Inc. is owned by 90.89% institutional shareholders, 8.05% insiders, and 1.06% retail investors. The largest individual shareholder is DB Energy Holdings LLC, owning 10.11 million shares representing 5.83% of the company. Those shares are currently valued at $1.42 billion. Now let's get to the bag. This is my favorite part of the video, the money. I will give you 6 hypothetical investment models from $1,000 to $1 million. These examples give you the potential income that can be generated from a specific amount of capital. These numbers are based on current share price and dividend yield as of October 11, 2022. Interest is not included in these calculations. Continue watching and enjoy the music. Hey there, it's me Sydney. Are you liking the content so far? Please subscribe to the channel, so you don't miss any new videos when I upload. And hit the like button, I would greatly appreciate it. It helps my videos get recognized by Google and get circulated for more exposure. Thanks for your support. This concludes this video, and I hope you found this content valuable, insightful, or useful. Please subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell and click all if you haven't done so already. You don't want to miss any new content when it gets uploaded. And if you want to support the channel, you can purchase some exclusive merchandise from our online store, or you can donate to the channel. The links will be in the description box below. Thanks to all my loyal subscribers, this channel would not exist without you. I am very grateful for all your support. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.